The first one I will show you is the laundry hamper. It's white finished. The white finish can match all your styles at your home and make your home stylish. You can check how firm it is. You can put your dirty clothes here and look, it's a huge space. We also provide modern design liners. The liner is removable, so you can clean it easily. We have little poms on the liner. Let's check the size. Top diameter 44, height 55. And we also provide a lid with hamper.